Hello again everyone. In this video tutorial we will be solving this given cubic equation by using a factoring method, and eventually we're gonna check our answer as well. So before we solve this given cubic equation, we want to manipulate a little bit. So as you can see, 8 could be written as 2 power 3, isn't it? So I can write x power 3 plus 2 power 3 equal to 0. So what we got is the sum of two cubes. So now we're going to be using this formula that I have just put down on the right hand side. In our given example, and this x would be treated like an a and 2 will be treated like a b. So then I can write them as x plus 2 times x squared, and then we have to use a minus sign according to this formula. 2 times x plus 2 square equal to 0. Let's go ahead and simplify. So x plus 2 times, this could be written as x squared minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. Now we're going to split these two factors up and set them equal to 0. So x plus 2 equal to 0. The other one is going to be x squared minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. So this is going to give you x equal to negative 2, which is one of our solution. So we're going to factor this equation by using a quadratic formula. So this is our quadratic formula. So we're going to be using that one. So in this quadratic equation, our a is going to be how much? 1, b equals to negative 2, and c equals to 4. So that means x is going to be negative and b is negative 2 plus minus b square, which is negative 2 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 4. Everything is divisible by 2 times 1. Let's go ahead and simplify it. What's we're gonna get? X equal to, this is gonna become 2 for sure. Negative and negative become positive 2. So negative 2 squared is 4 minus 16. Everything is divisible by 2, which could be written as 2 plus minus negative 12 divided by 2. Now I want you to just focus on this negative sign inside this square root, this radical. Whenever you have a negative sign, you have to be very careful. So this pretty much becomes an imaginary number I, which is I equal to square root of negative 1. So I can write this as 2 plus or minus I times square root of 12 divided by 2. One more thing I want to make sure, look at this square root of 12. I want to write down over here, which could be factored or broken down to 4 times 3. Again, I want you to break it down again further as square root of 4 and square root of 3. Square root of 4 could be written as 2 times square root of 3. So I can write this whole thing as 2 plus or minus I. This is 2 times 2 times square root of 3, and I'm gonna put down 2 separately at the bottom. So 2 over 2 simply becomes 1, and here 2 and 2 cancels out. Okay, they are gone. So pretty much we got plus or minus I times square root of 3. So thus our complete solution set is going to be what? So we figured out our one of the solution is x equal to -2 as well. So I'm going to write down -2 first, and then I'm going to write down this one. I'm going to split them along these negative and positive signs. So I can put down 1 plus I square root of 3, and the third solution is 1 minus I square root of 3. This is your complete solution set, and because this has I with it imaginary number, so this is whole thing is going to be a complex solution. But if you are just looking for a real solution, so the real solution is going to be just -2. So the real solution is going to be simply -2. And finally, we're gonna check our answer. So to check our solution or our answer, just simply add these whatever our solutions up. So I'm gonna put down -2 plus 1 plus I square root of 3, and then plus 1 minus I square root of 3. Is it equal to minus b over a? Now you might be wondering what is a and what is b. In our this cube equation, a is 1, b is 0, c is 0, and d is 8. So that means minus b over a is going to be a -0 over 1, which is 0. So that means minus b over a turns out to be 0. Let's look at the left hand side right now. So these two terms cancel out. So what we got? -2 plus 1 plus 1. When you do this thing, so that is going to be a -2 plus 2, which means 0 question mark. Is it both sides are equal? Yes, that means we check our solution. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.